The new DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is finally here and it brings some important upgrades over the Pocket 3. So like much faster slow motion video, bigger internal storage, improved controls, and better overall performance. At first glance, it may look similar, but inside there are some key changes that could actually make a big difference for creators. So in this video, we're going to compare the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 versus DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in detail, from camera quality to features and real usability, to help you decide which one you should actually buy in 2026. Let's get into it.